I'm Amy Barzdukas, Vice President of Product Management in the Consumer Group, and I look after our premium products, including the Spectre line. And what we have here are the Spectre 13 X2 and the Spectre 13. And as we've been looking at HP, really as part of the whole reinvention, is really thinking about our premium products and taking a look away from our traditional silver and black. And so as you can see reflected in these two Spectre products is we've started looking at the color palettes that are used in luxury products. If you think about high-end cars, you see kinds of finishes like pearl or champagne. And so these products take their cues there, and we've got the champagne on the inside and what we call truffle brown on the outside. This is the Spectre 13 X2. It is the first fanless Haswell-based detachable. So beautiful clamshell, backlit keyboard, full aluminum body, full HD, and it also becomes a beautiful tablet with, again, it's got the power and the volume buttons on the back, full HD screen, and in its slate form, it would have about 7.5 hours of battery life. In its combined form, 10 to 11 hours of battery life. So you have all of the advantages of a clamshell with the quietness of a tablet and the full function there. So that is the X2. Then we have the Spectre 13, which is our thinnest and lightest laptop. It is available with a QHD screen, really beautiful screen. But this machine is the first one to introduce the control zone touchpad. And you can see there are these additional wings on either side of the trackpad that are differentiated both visually and, more important, tactily. So if you think about how Windows 8 introduced different motions, the swipe motions from the side that allow you to navigate and to see some of the charms menu and the other open windows. It's nice sometimes to be able to use those same kinds of interface concepts without having to touch the screen. And what the Control Zone touchpad is, it enables you to use these dedicated edges for those gestures, either by touching or by swiping to access those additional menus and those additional features. So it really makes Windows 8 easier to use and more intuitive for those who don't always want to have to reach and touch the screen. So just as we saw with the Leap sensor, this is an additional way to take advantage of what a Windows machine has to offer. And again, this is clocking in now at about 9 hours of battery life, which is awesome. It's a couple of flights for me on any given day. And it comes as well with accessories from HP that have been custom designed to also echo that same premium look and feel in the colors. This is the sleeve, and this is a new super light mouse that takes AAA rather than AA batteries. And if you're a traveler, every little bit of weight like that can make a difference. So that is our Spectre line.